Oh wait, we gotta sing for you. Hold on.
All right. Mama's lighting the candles.
You ready?
All right. Hold on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Trevor. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Yay! Very good.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yay.
It is good being three.
Shake your booty, shake, 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 shake. Oh, nice.
I gotta say happy birthday. Yeah, you go. Yeah.
And the cake light and those were
Those.
those were for you.
He's just too excited to give it.
Supposed to
You want to
sing
do it again?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do it.
Hold on.
Hold on, we'll sing
Okay.
last time. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Trevor. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Good job.
Yay! Good job, buddy. Give me a hug. Oh, thank you.
Can I pass the friends a cupcake?
Yeah, you can get your friends a
Pass your friends a cupcake?
Yes, okay, come on. Friends, Trevor wants to make sure you get cupcake too.
Oh, thank you. You're a nice boy, Trevor.
All right.
All right.
For your friends.
Let's clear off the kitchen table so we can eat there with the ice cream.